Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ikomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli bukela inazi ezinohlonze emini nje.
I have never interacted with Mr. Josie Banyoni, Mr. Vusimuzi Matlala and Mr. Mandla Mncina for whatsoever reasons.
Namhlanje ikhomishana kaMadlanga ilalele kubufakazi buka uMashi Dlamini noyiphini lenhloko yamaphoyisa aseTshwane owazicelela ukumiswa emsebenzini ngemva kokuvela kokuxhumana phakathi kwakhe noSergeant Fund Inkosi mayelana namathenda. Namhlanje umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa uhambele iziko le-Eskom ikusile esifundazweni eMpumalanga ephelezelwa kongqongqoshe wezogesi uDkt Kgosientsho Ramokgopa.
For the leadership position, we have the Mayor of Cape Town, Jordan Hill Lewis, and the DA Sedibeng District Municipality Caucus Leader, Sibusiso Dionasi.
Konke sekumi ngomumo ke ngaphambi kokuqala kwengqungquthela ke Democratic Alliance yokukhetha ubuholi kule mpelasonto eMidrand enyakatho yeGoli kulindeleke izithunywa ke ezingaphezulu kwe-2,000 kule ngqungquthela. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili kwe-SABC 1 eMzansi for sure kanjalo ke naku-SABC lehaye. Mina ke igama lami nginguDaud Phungula mbukeli hake singene kuzwa ezihamba phambili emini nje. Iphini lenhloko yamaphoyisa omkhadlu dolobha eTshwane uMashi Dlamini uziqhelenisile ke einsolweni zokuthi ubengeneke wagamanxa odabenikelwe inkontileka zamathenda egidi zamaranda begixabezo inkampani ezithile ngendlela engaqondakali. uDlamini uthole ke ithuba lokubeka uhlangothi lwakhe phambi kwekhomishana kaMadlanga namhlanje.
uDlamini uqale ngokulandisa isithangami sekhomishana ngokuthi kungani ithatha isinqumo esingejwayelekile sokuthi azicelele ngokwakhe ukumiswa emsebenzini.
I felt I can't be sitting at work. Everyone will come and ask what is happening. You find yourself explaining. You go to a meeting, everyone asks you. Then I felt it might be good for me to request to be placed on precautionary suspension, perhaps up until either I get an opportunity to address some of those matters.
Utshele isithangami sekhomishana ukuthi akanakho nakancane ukuxhumana nabantu abathile amagama abo aseke achaphazeleka kule khomishana okubalwa kubuso amabhizinisi ogubuzelwe ngamacala uVusimuzi Matlala uJosie Banyoni osembonini yamatekisi.
I have never interacted with Mr. Josie Banyoni, Mr. Vusimuzi Matlala and Mr. Mandla Mncina for whatsoever reasons.
Do you know of them though? Any of those individuals?
The one that I know, I've never met with him, it's Mr. Josie Banyoni. He used to work with my brother in the taxi industry.
Udabeni lokuthi unesandla ekhokhelweni kwenkampani kamfowabo kaSayitsheni Fund Inkosi eyagcina ihlomula ngethenda uphike wama ngentaba.
My involvement in the case of Gubi's 85 Solution and others came later following the request by the CFO concerning the outstanding invoices, which were due for a period of 6 months.
Lesi thangami sisaqhubeka ekolishi iBridget Mabandla Justice ePitoli.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi ke kuneyinyathelo ezinqala ezithathiwe ukungenelela ke kohulumeni beyindawo ukuze kuxazululwe inkinga ezikhona. uMbalula kusho lokhu ngesikhathi leli iqembu libambe isithangami nabeyindaba ngemva komhlangano wekomiti elibhekele ukusebenza kweqembu.
Unobhala jikelele we-ANC ufikile Mbalula uthi umengameli we-ANC uCyril Ramaphosa emasontweni embalwa ezayo uzomemezela ungenelela kwe-ANC kohulumeni bezindawo.
In the next coming weeks, the president will for the first time announce some of the tangible interventions the ANC has made in local government turnaround, informed by the 10-point plan that has been adopted by the National Executive Committee and subsequently finding expression in the January 8 statement of the African National Congress.
Uthi bafinyelele isivumelwaneni sokuba kuxazululwe izinkinga ezifana nengqalasizinda, ukuthunyelwa kwezidingo emphakathini nokunye.
The ANC has been implementing a structured, phased and time-bound program of action to resolve service delivery issues and address infrastructure, governance and financial challenges. All our public representatives, executives in local councils, with the support of provincial and national departments, are obliged to respond to issues raised by communities.
Izifundazwe ezimbili kuphela ezingakayibambi ingqungquthela yokukhetha ubuholi besifundazwe.
We can report that most of the conferences have been concluded except in 2 provinces, and there are very few. Throughout the country, except those who are not going to conferences, conferences have been concluded.
Uthi ANC isazibophezele ekwakheni kabusha ukulungisa kanye nokuhola abantu bakuleli ngempilo engcono.
Kulideleke izithunywa ezingaphezulu kweyinkulungwane ezimbili ezivela ke ezingxenyeni zesifundazwe iWestern Cape neGauteng njengoba ke iDemocratic Alliance ilungiselela ke impelasonto yokuqoka kobuholi bayo obusha eMidrand enyakatho yeGoli.
For the leadership position, we have the Mayor of Cape Town, Jordan Hill Lewis, and the DA Sedibeng District Municipality Caucus Leader, Sibusiso Dionasi. In terms of the federal chairperson, we have the Minister of Agriculture, Economic Development and Tourism in the Western Cape, Dr. Ivan Meyer, and the Leader of the Opposition in Gauteng, Salim Simanga. In terms of the federal deputy chairpersons, we have 7 candidates. We have Celia Brink, Belinda Esijonyoko, Siviwe Gwahube, Soli Malatsi, Andrew Mare, Norma French Mbombo, and Nicholas Nyati.
EFF isamukela isimemezelo sokuthi inkantolo yomthethosisekelo ke izokhipha isinqumo odabeni kule phalaphala esikhathini ke singaphansi kwenyanga. Leli iqembu lapho ke inselele ke isinqumo ke seParliament sokushaya indivu umbiko wethimba lizimele lapha kwatholakala ukuthi ke kungenzeka ukuthi ke kunecala umengameli uSiramaphosa okufanele aziphendulele kulo.
Isinqumo senkantolo ngodaba lombiko othinta ipulazi likaMengameli iPhalaphala kulindeleke ukuthi sikhishwe singakapheli izinsuku ezingama-30. EFF emva kokuthi ilufake enkantolo yomthethosisekelo yabamba umbhikisho ifuna izimpendulo ngodaba lwePhalaphala njengoba ifuna ukuthi uMengameli uCyril Ramaphosa aphendule ngokutholakala kwemali engamadola eyayigcinwe epulazini lakhe.
This demonstrates that accountability in South Africa is not automatic but must be demanded through struggles. The silence of so-called civil society organizations that claim to stand against corruption has been deafening. Institutions such as Corruption Watch, Helen Suzman Foundation, Nelson Mandela Foundation, Thabo Mbeki Foundation, the South African Council of Churches, Freedom Under Law, OTA, and many more have failed to raise their voices on this matter which the agency deserves.
Odabeni lokhetho lohulumeni bezindawo oluzayo iEFF ithi amagama bazongenela izikhundla zobumeya angeke amenyezelwe okwamanje.
People are going to be elected as ward candidates and would choose from amongst ward candidate who's going to be a mayor. So you can't be a mayor if you are not a ward candidate.
Phakathi kwezinye zezinqumo ezilindwe yiqembu isinqumo senkantolo yemantshi kuGompo lapho uMalema kulindele ukuthi athole ngomphumela wesigwebo ecaleni lokuqhumisa isibhamu esidlangalaleni.
Umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa kanye noNgqongqoshe wezogesi uDkt. Kgosinswe Ramokgopa bahambele ke isiphehlimandla sogesi kusile enkangala esifundazweni eMpumalanga njengoba uhulumeni eqinisa imizamo yokuzinza kwamandla ogesi kuleli. Lokuvakasha kuza-ke ngesikhathi kusilisa ingxenye yemqoka yokukhiqiza ugesi e-Eskom kwaziseke amanye amayunithi aseyasebenza futhi ngemva kokubambezeleka iminyaka kanye-ke ney'nkinga zobuchwepheshe. Uhulumeni uthi-ke laphana-ke ukusimamisa kokusebenza kwalesiphehlimandla kumqoka ekunciphiseni kokucinywa kugesi-ke ngenhloso yokuwonga nasekuqinisekiseni kuzinzo lwezamandla ngesikhathini esizayo. Kanti kulindele ukuthi uMengameli Ramaphosa athola kumbiko ey'khulwini-ke ze-Eskom mayelana-ke nokusebenza kwakamumva kwalesi siphehlimandla kanye-ke ney'nhlelo zokwengeza amanye amayunithi ezinyangeni ezizayo. Mukele-ke sisathi qu ey'tolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela-ke uWT.
Indaba yebhayili into right yomuntu ngeke ukwazi ukumvimba and ngeke sithi this is the end of it. Banga-applya ibhayili umthetho abavumela ukuthi ba-applye noma yini.
Izelamani siyabonga noMalusi Ndimande sezilaxaze isicelo sebheli ecaleni lobulala kuKeenan aka Forbes nomngani wakhe uDebele Tibbs Motswane kanti icala lihlehliselwe kulesihlanu olizayo. Bukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibiko ukuthi namhlanje ikhomishana kaMadlanga ilalela kubufakazi buka uMashi Dlamini noyiphini lenhloko yamaphoyisa seTshwane owazicelela kungumiswa emsebenzini ngemva kokuvela kokuxhumana phakathi kwakhe noSergeant Fani Nkosi mayelana ke namathenda. Bukela sikhumbuza ukuthi le indaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ngena kuzozicinga ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Umasipala womkhandlu dolophu iBuffalo City namhlanje ubambe imbizo ke enkundleni yezemidlalo yaNsmart ukuze uxoxisana ke nezakhamuzi mayelungana ke neyinkinga ezibhekene nazo endaweni yaseCalifornia kuGompo nokubika ukuthi ke muva nje le ndawo ke igcwele abantu abangabokudabuka eNigeria kanti futhi ke basola ngokudayisa izidakamizwa.
Noxanje umasipala wombhaxo eBuffalo City bugqibe ukuba awuzoba sombamba umngcelele ochasa ukubakho kwabemi bangaphandle abangekho emthethweni nabasebenzisa iziyobisi abazinikezela ebantwini abatsha kodwa sisanda kuva phakathi apha into yokuba izawuqhuba umngcelele omalunga nokudandalazisa into yokubana lo masipala awubafuni abantu abangekho lapha eMzantsi Afrika ngokungekho emthethweni usitsho usithi into yokubana ukubakho kwabo apha kwenza into yokuba ukusetyenziswa kweziyobisi elutsheni kube yinto ethendi ingakumbi eluntwini ebantwini abatsha kodwa kuva banzi ngomnye wabantu bethethe apha phakathi apha osuka kumbutho abasebenzi iKOSATU sithatha nayo Ondela Sokomani. Tata, thank you very much for your time. Siyabulela ixesha lakho. Sicela usixelele ithino wakho umyalezo njengomuntu obenikezela umyalezo wenkxaso phakathi apha kule ngqungquthelo kanye kule imbizo ingabe uthini umyalezo wakho kumasipala ombhaxo kanye kurhulumente weMzantsi Afrika?
Sibulele ngelithuba msasazi. Siyimbumba yombutho wabasebenzi iKOSATU sithi ingalo mthetho mayiqiniswe nangakumbi kuzanywe kangakumbi uqinisekisa into kubana ukuphulwa komthetho ngabantu bokufika ingakumbi abo balapha ezweni ngongekho semthethweni makuzanywe kangangoko kubanjiswane phakathi kwabasebenzi abahlali kunye noRhulumente ukuzama uqinisekisa into bana abantu bakuthi ingakumbi abasebenzi ekufuneka uba bafumane amathuba emisebenzi xa kuthe kwakho amashishini akhoyo apha esixekweni.
Izelamani zakaNdimande embili eziyamanisa nokubulawa komculo uKeenan Forbes nowayedume ngelika aka nomngani wakhe uDebele Tibbs Motswane sezisilaxazile ke isicelo sebhayili. Inkantolo yemantshi yaseThekwini bekulindele ukuthi ke lalele isicelo sebhayili ke namhlanje sikasiyabonga noMalusi Ndimande. Kanti ngesikhathi begcina ukuvela enkantolo bazisa inkantolo ke ngummeli wabo ukuthi ke bazofaka ke isicelo sebhayili emva kokuthi ke babe silaxazile ke isicelo phambilini. Lezelamani ke zakwaNdimande zabuyiswa eSwatini nyakenye.
Ngicabanga ukuthi isinqumo abasithathile ngokubuka kwami isinqumo esenza ukuthi umuntu ababuke ngokuthi bafuna inqubekela phambili yecala labo nokuthi mhlambe babhekile ukuthi the ball was in their court ukuthi baveze ubufakazi baveze ama exceptional circumstances enkantolo ukusatisfy inkantolo ukuthi the interest of justice ayavuma ukuthi baphumela ngaphandle. And I think le ndaba seSwatini bayibhekisise kabanzi ukuthi ungayenza ukuthi kube baqhubekele ngebail yayizosebenza against them. But of course leyo nto indaba yebail into right yomuntu ngeke ukwazi ukumvimba and ngeke sithi this is the end of it. Banga apply ibail umthetho abavumela ukuthi ba apply noma yini.
Isicelo sejaji selithatha umhlalaphansi uBess Nkabinde siphingeka ngobuqotho bomqondisi we-NPA South Gauteng Advocate Andrew Chauke siqhubeke nokulalela ubufakazi bephini lomqondisi we-NPA Western Cape Advocate Sharon Riley malungana ke nokuhoxiswa kwamacala enkohlakalo ayebhekene ke nophiko lwamaphoyisa aseKhathomena.
U-Advocate Sharon Riley ubuzwe ngesinqumo sokuhoxiswa kwamacala enkohlakalo ayebhekene no-Major General Johan Boysen namalungu ophiko lwamaphoyisa aseKhathomena esathathwa ngumqondisi we-NPA kuzolonke u-Advocate Shamila Batowi osethatha umhlalaphansi. U-Riley uveze ukuthi babungekho ubufakazi obanele ukuthi lamacala ashushiswe yize zazikhona izitatimende zofakazi ezazisola lolu phiko ngokubulala.
What I want you to explain to the panel is your conclusion that which is on paragraph 81.4, where you say you are not convinced that the evidence of Danikas would suffice to prove similar modus operandi based on similar fact evidence.
We also relied on Advocate Mahema's email to the attorney of Danikas when he said he was not prepared to use Danikas as a statement. So we also looked at the indictment, and so one of the first aspects that we actually concur with Advocate Mahema is that the incidents that Danikas referred to, any statements, draft statements, does not cover the period in the indictment.
Kanti kuyavela nokuthi uRiley wayeyingxenye yethimba elaluleka uBatohi ngokuhoxiswa kalamacala. Isigcawu siyaqhubeka.
Ungqongqoshe wezenhlalakahle uSisitolashe uthi ke ulinde ukuthi acelwe yiPhalamende kanye neANC ukuthi aphendule insolweni ezithi wehluleka ukudalula umnikelo weimoto ezimbili zaseChina.
Kutshelwa ngelithi umphathiswa njengomongameli wemanyano yamanina ye-ANC ufumene imoto zohlobo lwe-SUV ezimbini kwinkampani yaseChina nathe kwimbalelwano ebheka kumbutho i-ANC uzichazile izimoto. Kodwa kutshelwa ngelithi i-ANC ayinazinkcukacha zoku. Ezityholo zikhokelele imibutho ye-Action SA kwakunye ne-DA ukuba ziyelela umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ukuba amgxothe lo kaTolashe esikhundleni sakhe sokuba ngumphathiswa. The Action SA yavula ityala lolwaphulo mthetho ngakuTolashe. Kodwa uTolashe uthi uza kunika yakhe ingcaciso eParlamente nakumbutho ANC xa inikwe ithuba lokwenza njalo.
I'm a member of Parliament before I become a minister, so I am accountable to Parliament and I respect that. And at the moment, I have not received anything that suggests that I've misled Parliament.
Lo kaTolashe ukwakha benezityholo zokuba akalandelanga imigaqo-nkqubo yengqesho de wangathobeli umongameli ngokuthi asungule inkqubo zoluleko ngakulowo wayesakuba ngumlawuli oyintloko kwisebe lophuhliso loluntu uPeter Netshipale.
The allegation of disrespecting President don't exist. That's it. We can assure you that we have been given a go-ahead by the President through President's minute to advertise and find a new DG.
Dingusidima Mveku kwindaba ze-SABC disemdantsane.
Kudubuleke kwalimala intombazanyana eneminyaka eyisithupha ubudala eValhalla Park eCape Flats kanti kubikwa ukuthi idubuleke ngesikhathi kudubulana amaqembu ezigelekeqe. Amaphoyisa athi intombazanyana ke iphuthunyiswe esibhedlela ukuze ithole ukwelashwa.
Isimo sinqunguphele kulommandla kwaye kubekho ungquzulwana kanye ngexa amapolisa egaleleka kwindawo leyo exhwayelo. Omnye wabahlali uthe waphelekwa ngamapolisa emfaka ngasemva kunqwelo yamapolisa ngelokukhusela le ndoda kubahlali abaligxobevu ngumsindo.
I'm very disappointed in the crime rate here in the Western Cape. Our children is not saved as well.
Crime is unfortunately part of our lives every day. Wherever you go, You will see people standing on corners, kids don't go to school anymore.
Izehlo zodubulo ziyaqhubeka kummandla weFlaka nangona kutyalwe amajoni ekunye namapolisa kwiphulo leOperation Prosper.
I still feel unsafe because it's Cape Town. And I see what I'm saying. Like, they say the army's out there, but I haven't actually seen them.
I'm lost for words because obviously 5-6-year-old girl being shot early morning in Valhalla Park. That's not what we wished for, and that's not what we've asked for, and that's not what people have called for.
Mapolisa athi abenzi bobubi bathe bayifulathela indawo yexhwayelo. Abacuphi baseBishop Levis baphanda ityala lokuzama ukubulala emveni kwesiselegu. Njengomlamli Maneli wendaba ze-SABC eKapa.
Bukele sizibeka lapha besikuphathele zona emini zakwethu bayeza nezindaba ngolwimi leSiswati emagamanxa ihora lesihlanu ntambama kanti thina ke sizobuya ke nezinye izindaba ngehora ke lesikhombisa kusihlwa kwamanje usale kahle.